Friends, welcome. Happy to see all of you here. We are going to do first live trading session together. What will be our general plan? First, we are going to analyze top major coins to understand what we potentially could trade at this moment where we can make some money. What will be our trading plan? Second, within 30 minutes, there would be CPI news. It is inflation in the US, and we are going to wait for market reaction for that news, and after that we will build trading plans. Also, I'll share with you several trades that we took personally, and I'll share with you beautiful trades that I took, our community took, and during that stuff I will reply to your questions. That's why enjoy at this moment. If you hear me well, see me well, smash the like button to promote this stream more on YouTube. While we start, a few seconds, I would like to remind to our community that we started. Rate this quality of the stream. What is that? Yeah, let me send it to our community members. Good. Friends, at this moment, rate quality of a video about audio and video. That's really important for me and for us, for our people. While we do a few seconds, we are going to start, as I promised to you, a few seconds. Hi from Romania. Romania. We call it Rumunia. How is better to pronounce it? Yeah, we are going to cover CPI data a few seconds. Friends, below this video, with my team, we prepared for you a special gift. It is access to our free PDF manual. At this moment, below this video, there would be a special link. You write here your email, and we send to you free PDF about our strategy, how you can use it, how you can make money. Example, it's 100% free. Just download and enjoy. Okay, let's go. Friends, I don't understand Arabic. Use English or Ukrainian language. In other cases, I won't be able to help you. It is international stream. Friends, at this moment, before we start, write about audio and video quality. Rate it from 1 to 10. 10, it means like Vlad wrote, it is excellent. If there are some problems, tell me. 10, good. 10, awesome. Awesome, friends. And as you know, we have international community. At this moment, I know that a lot of people from different places. Friends, share where you're from, because, for example, I'm from Ukraine. I'm from Lviv city, close to Polish border. And write, please, where you're from. For me, it's interesting to hear. Doubler. Okay, video 7 of 10, audio 6, 5.10. Doubler, if you can write few stuff, write please. Why is it audio is not the best? Okay, we have Kiev, we have California, we have India, we have UK. At this moment, we have 3 continents, guys, friends. We have 3 continents at this moment, people here. We have Europe, we have Asia, India, and we have American, US. Cool. Don't shy, because during this stream, what will be our best communication? Sometimes I will ask you some questions, and there would be simple reply like set write plus, minus, or some number, because for me it's important to hear your feedbacks. Good. Poland. Hello from Ukraine. As you know, we love Poland. Yes, your president were yesterday in Lviv. Your president of Poland really popular here. London, Bulgaria, San Francisco, Marian San Francisco, Greece, South Africa, Tunisia. We have 4 continents at this moment. We have Africa, we have Asia, we have North America, and interesting, do we have anyone from South America, Latin America, Ukraine, Vinnytsia, Indonesia? Cool. Whole entire planet here. I'm so happy. Friends, for me, it's really a pleasure to see all you here. And let's start from my side to deliver promises to you. When you see the stream and if you enjoy, I ask you to push like and subscribe, because it helps this channel to promote, because we create a lot of content and our mission is to help traders around the world become profitable. Because when we started, I was a student and I had nothing, and I understand how it's difficult to build trading edge and become profitable. And it is our mission to help all of you learn proper tools, proper strategies to become profitable. Soon there would be also about psychology, because last year I understood that psychology is really also so important to build edge. Estonia, we love people from Estonia. Dallas, Texas. Hello, dear American friends. Okay, good. Write plus into a chat if you're ready to start, and let's start from current market situation. Firstly, at this moment, within several minutes, there would be important economical data. It is this one, CPA in the United States. Why this stuff is so important for us? Because United States, it is biggest part of global economy, and especially financial markets. And shift there, change there, it is huge impact on a whole planet. That's a reason, friends, why we look at this. Quite often, when such news release, there are big volatility. What I mean by big volatility, it is when price create massive fluctuation. It nearly the same as it was here, this one, big fluctuation. When price moves up and down really fast. Honestly, it's difficult time to trade, because there could be a lot of stop losses taken. But still, after news release, we are going to take some trades together. Mongolia, Bulgaria, India. Cool. We have a whole planet. I'm an audio engineer, so I'm very picky, doubler man. I would add a noise gate, compression, and equalize your vocal by it's like. I use this one, a Rode microphone, and we are moving from this house, and soon I will be in another office, and we will work a lot on making our audio very beautiful, because I know how it's so important. I have this one, Yeti, but bigger problems that we don't have a stop that hold it. Good. Greeting, Maxim, Ukraine. Cool. Spain, Mongolia. Whole planet, Italia. Roberto. Viva Roberto. My aunt lives in Italy for 18 years. I love Italy. Okay, good. again, as I promised to you, what we are going to do, first part, we are going to analyze current market situations. We are going to find good trading plans, and if the trading plan realize, we take trades together. Let's start. If you have some questions at this moment regarding some instrument, write here and I'll analyze it to you. Okay, good. Let's start, friends. First, we always start our analysis from Bitcoin. Why Bitcoin is so important? For a few minutes, I will take myself out from computer because I would like to have whole entire focus on a chart. Globally, pay attention to what's going on BTC. Globally, BTC, friends, did long accumulation. Pay attention to this volume profile area. How many of you knows about this indicator volume profile? Why this stuff is so important? Because it shows to us that someone built massive position on Bitcoin. Why it's so important? Because whales, when they build a position, it's not like us when we open account on exchange. For us, it's easy to buy 1 Bitcoin, 2 Bitcoins. But imagine if you a JP Morgan, you don't trade 1 Bitcoin, you trade 10,000 Bitcoins, 100,000. That's why quite often after big and long range, there are always significant movements, because it is a movements inside where significant guys accumulate position. And Bitcoin and many other coins clearly made breakout of this. And soon there would be finish of this massive pump. But at this moment, there only one problem, that we don't have really massive volume spike. Pay attention to, let's take all of this out. And at this moment, only 155,000 coins. We don't have at this moment even massive volume spike. Have a look. Last time when price changed its direction, volume for our candle were 260,000, and here it was 300,000. And only after that, Bitcoin made a change. And at this moment, it's only half of it. Why I show to you this data? Because a lot of people at this moment build short positions without understanding that there could be even additional rise. That's why what's going on BTC? Data comes within 15 minutes, but at this moment, it's a little bit risky to take short trade. What will be my ideal pattern at this moment on BTC? Write plus into a chat if you would like to see my ideal pattern. And I will show to you some of the patterns. Maxim started using volume profile after your lessons. Thanks, mate. I'm also happy to share it with you, because volume profile, I think it is maybe biggest underestimated volume. I think it is the most important indicator, one of the most important indicators on the market, because people use a lot of stuff, but volume profile, it's, if some of you will have desire, I will help you. The Netherlands, cool. We love Netherlands. We love Netherlands. We love your country, beautiful country. I appreciate your. Yeah, I have a plan to do stream once per 2 weeks. There were a period when I stream every week, but it took too much effort. But once per 2 weeks, really good for us. We can do it. Okay, let me show to you my favorite pattern for BTC. It's nearly the same as at this moment we can face on near. If on Bitcoin nearly the same stuff appears, that would be a good signal to take some short, for example, like this one. Massive pump, re-high, and after that, massive drop. Because at this moment, what's major problem at this moment? Yes, BTC pumped a lot, and there could be some pullback, but it would be way better to take a trade if there would be some trap, some significant trap with big volume at high. Only in that case, I will consider and will recommend you to take a short with some pullback, maybe even to this area, only in that case. Oh, so you smoke the only reason you like Netherlands, man. Are you serious? I like every country that support Ukraine. The Netherlands, the United States, the United Kingdom, Poland, all these beautiful countries. I love all of you. Hey, from Turkey, Istanbul, good luck. As you can see, we have people here from different places on the world. And Raj, Yuri, how much do you risk per trade as a percentage? I don't, honestly, I stopped calculate percentage as a risk. I use dollars, like risk per trade, 50, 100, 250, because percent, you don't eat percent. And still for me, it's okay when in the end, every percent you calculate as a real money. And if you don't, if you can't be with that loss, it's difficult for you will be to trade. Okay, okay, it is our first trading plan. If during the news at re-high some significant volume appears in a footprint of BTC, we take short. It is our first trading plan for today. What I mean by significant volume in a footprint, let me show to you an example. Should I show to you an example, big volume in a footprint? Hi from Slovenia. Hi. He might like something else that is offered in Netherlands. Man, are you serious? You're from Ukraine? Yeah, I am from Ukraine. Slava. Yeah, good. Let me show to you an example of a pattern that appeared today during the night. Sadly, that sometimes such beautiful patterns appeared during the night, which park, west part, nearly Polish border. With my team, we created special bot that sent a notification when significant volume appears on a spot market on some coins. And quite often price do beautiful scalps from that volume. And have a look what happened on ADA. ADA is, by the way, for us, really beautiful example. ADA did re-high of this level. At that re-high, significant volume appeared exactly at top. And after that, price dropped by 3%. And have a look here. Type into a chat plus if you understand what I showed to you. Type into a chat if you understand what stuff that I showed to you. If you understand what the stuff means. And have a look where that big volume appeared. Big volume appeared exactly here at high. Exactly here. And after that price did at re-high, they did high. And after that, they dropped by 3% from that significant volume. That's example for you of a beauty. That's example for you of a beauty. And if something like that appears on BTC at this moment after news release, it will be our signal to take short trade because we will have powerful confirmation. We have powerful sell zone and we will have significant volume. Because let me explain to you all of this stuff. What's the most important stuff in trading? First, it is execution, because discipline, it is the most important. Second, it's important to trade in a proper places, because what's the problem of many beginners? You want to open a trade every time in any places, but it's not good, because there are places where if you take a trade, you will have big advantage. And for example, on Bitcoin at re-high, there could be after that some massive pullback. And we will have advantage because if pullback happens, our potential reward will be in many times bigger. That's a power. And main reason why we use a footprint, because footprint for us can give powerful places, from which price would bounce. By the way, about Mac OS, yes, many of our friends in our community, we have Ukrainian, we have the community in English and in Ukrainian language, and people that use. We have quite a lot of amount of people that use Tiger Trade on Mac OS, and honestly, it's only one platform at this moment on the planet that create domain footprint soft, really beautiful, powerful, that really works good on macOS. Only one company in whole entire world. That's why Sergey, Serge, thank you. Rush, which is more important, big volume on spot or in future? It depends on the situation, but honestly, big volume, spot volume, honestly, more important, spot volume. But sometimes I saw many times when price did big and powerful move from a futures. Futures, there must be volume in several times bigger than on a spot. Example for you, if on a spot you see like 3,000 BTC, on a futures it should be 10,000. Futures always must be in several times bigger, always. Only in that case, futures would worth it. Okay, have a look what's going on. Some small pullback. Let's cover what's going on BTC. 5 minutes to news release, and BTC at this moment fluctuate. Let's check what's going on in our beautiful VWAP. What about Ethereum? Mm-hmm. 5 minutes came. Okay, let's go to other coins. I try to find out how to use footprint, but always fail. Do you have any easy way to use footprint? Last time you gave us soft, but most of it was not working for me. You do a problem and you do a mistake of most of beginners. You think that footprint or wallet profile, it is like a holy grail. Bigger problems that you must use all of the stuff together. And like we use price action plus order flow because in the markets, every move it's about accumulation position and distribution that position. Footprint we use only in a proper places, and only when you have proper place, only in that case footprint will help you and will bring you really beautiful position. Just to use footprint by itself, it's difficult. It takes years to build an edge on this stuff. And at this moment, friends, what I recommend all of you to do, once more, if you have problems with a footprint, I recommend all of you to open below the stream. There are two links. You can download a free PDF manual where I show to you our footprint trading strategy. It's order flow and with price action together. And second, join public Discord where I share trading plans entirely for free. And because on our YouTube channel, I know that some of you have problems with footprint for a start. It's difficult. That's why what you do here for you, whole entire playlist, entirely free lessons. You pay zero. You pay no money to watch these lessons for a start. Watch it, and after that, you will have better understanding. Okay, BTC. Okay, let me finish. Okay, BTC at this moment, this powerful sell zone. Let's cover here and let's wait. I set alert. Let's go after that and cover all other coins because I spoke too much about intro. Let's do this stuff. I think some rehigh could happen. Secondly, it's about Ethereum. What about Ethereum, my friends? Ethereum as BTC did massive breakout of this huge range. And at this moment, for Ethereum, I see no reasons to stop all of this rise. That's why globally, I do believe that Ethereum will continue this uptrend. Only one stuff that I expect, there could be some trap, pull back, and after that go on. That means we can take some scalp trades against a trend, but only scalp trades. If Ethereum would reach one of these significant volume profiles, here it would be a good place to take trade because globally, I do believe that Ethereum could reach this massive volume profile because here quite often price moves through this zone. About BNB, BNB honestly way closer. Let's do here, it would be very pure. About BNB, at this moment, BNB really close to one of these significant volume areas. And what I expect, if at one of these levels, 290, 296, pattern appears, here we take short. That's example for you. Some of you ask me, I open footprint and it doesn't work because you don't use it in a proper places. I will show to you, let me cover several examples for you. When in a proper place, you use footprint plus volume profile, price and price action together. In that case, it works really good. Because just in the middle, in some chart, open it, it won't help. Video, it's not clear. I can see you well, Roberto. It's not from my side, it's from your side. Maybe because in a you take it in a doubler. Guys, I agree. Experience is the most important stuff because what I understood after many years, execution may be the most important stuff because every situation you will trade differently during different market conditions. And I saw many times how nearly the same pattern work really good and how sometimes same pattern but work really horribly. Okay. Few seconds. News release is coming. CPA inflation same as the forecast, 6.5. Let's check what's going on. a really powerful reaction. Remember I told you about BTC, we will try to take short at re-high. And at this moment, everything looks that we won't have any possibility to do it because BTC, have a look what's going on. It's impossible. They did this rise. Pay attention to this volume profile, what's going on at this moment. Market is crazy. If inflation is down, inflation is going down. Globally, the stuff is so good for the markets when inflation is going down. That means Fed won't continue rising rates. Rates is so important because it shows how costly money on the markets. That's why globally forecast initial job claims 205, but this stuff isn't good. Globally, friends, not bad. Inflation is going down. That's the most biggest problem at this point for markets because of inflation, there will be real problems. About BTC, remember I told you a few seconds ago that our plan re-high and after that drop. BTC at this moment already did drop. I think on a futures market maybe it hit it. At this moment we wait, maybe there would be some second re-high and after that additional drop. Because at this moment during this crazy volatility, it's difficult to take a trade. What about Ethereum? Same as with BTC. It was close to take re-high, but this time they didn't take that re-high. Is sad because if they would do it, it would be perfect entry for us. Dogecoin dropped. Solana, ADA. Okay, let's wait. Let's see. Let's check volume profile and see what's going on. Yes, drop with some power. Yeah, they did it. Yeah, I just announced data. Data is not important as a price reaction on a volume. Ethereum, some volume clusters appeared. Next time when I will plan streams, it's important to do streams not during the news release because this volatility, it's a crazy volatility. Have a look what's going on. People massively selling. Only here 15K. Let's check also one additional stuff at this moment. It calls heat map. At this moment, I also would like to show to you one additional stuff. It calls a heat map on BTC. A volume appeared on a spot or spot volume on BTC. Let's check. No, it's futures on a futures market. At this moment, pay attention on this significant volume that entered here. Within few minutes, this volume could work as good support resistance. What's the problem to take? You can take some risky trade right now for re-high, but I don't like to trade during such volatility. I would wait for a clear reaction. What for me would be really good to take a trade? If at this moment price, pay attention here, significant volume nodes. I hope you can see it. On a futures market, this significant volume nodes, why are they so important? Because when they appeared, at this moment, they could work as good support or resistance. And we should wait additional few minutes. And if BTC close above this volume, there could be some scalp long. But there must be a clear reaction. Pay attention how big volume entered BTC. I personally, what I do, I wait for at least 15 minutes candle close above it. And after that, on pullback, we can take some trade. Because to trade right now, it's really risky stuff. I gave the email a few times and didn't get the link to my PDF. Can you the trading gmail.com? Can you write on this email trading gmail.com and wait a few seconds. I would check from my team our working email, and they will and write it here. And after that, we are going to send it to you. Have a look what's going on this volatility. It's really crazy volume. 15 minutes candle will be really huge. That's the reason, friends, why I don't like to open the trades exactly during news release, because pay attention to what's going on right now. It's really huge. Have a look. 2,800 bitcoins futures contracts in just that small area. It's huge. We should wait a little bit for market to become calmer, and after that we can do it. About soft that I use, I wrote in the comments this soft. You can download it. It's entirely for free for a crypto market. Like you pay nothing. There would be they have landing page where you see a data that's only 14 days you can use, but it's a bullshit. In reality, the Discord says its link don't work. Let me check. Guys, anyone else? How many of you tried to check Discord? How many of you tried to get Discord? Does all of you have same problems? Oh my God, so big volume for BTC entering. Oh my God. Okay, additional Discord link. And folks, remember to follow me here on YouTube because we are going to do streams once per 2 weeks. We are going to create a lot of lessons that will help you become profitable. We know your pain. We know how to build profitable edge, and we will help you with that. Pay attention to this significant volume node. Why this stuff is so important for us? Because at this moment, it's going to work as a support or resistance. If we have desired to play safe, what will be better is to work for clear close below or above this volume. Because I did the mistake several times before. What was my mistake? I opened a trade exactly in the middle of all of this stuff, and quite often I had big problems. At this moment, what we can do, pay attention on this significant volume area. This volume area will work as important support resistance. And what we can do at this moment, simply wait when this 15 minutes candle close, or even 1 hour better after such news, and this volume become for us important support or resistance. If price close below it, at pullback we take short. If price close above it, at pullback we take long. Simple. It's really simple, but hard to execute. Friends, type into a chat those of you that try to join our Discord server. Write plus into a chat if everything is okay with joining and you didn't have a problem. And write 2 if you had problems. Because like this gentleman says that there are problems with Discord. Did you try new link that I just sent? Holy shit. Are you going to stream until you enter a position? I have a plan to stream 2 hours. If that would be a good position, we are going to take it, because pay attention to what's going on. Massive volume in enter, and at this moment, huge volatility. I wait for clear pattern. I also stay out of these conditions you have lost too many times while you need to. Yeah, Doubler, I agree with you 100%, because I also gave so much money to the markets because of that. And it's way better to wait additional 30 minutes, wait for clear confirmation, and after that, take a beautiful trade. Guys, huge volume. This volume is insane. It's fucking insane volume. I didn't see such insane volume for a while on a futures market. In one 15 minutes candle, just traded 87,000 contracts. 87,000. It's insane. It's insane stuff. Let me publish this stuff here in Discord. Into market analysis. Insane volume on futures market, BTC. Let me tag everyone about the significant volume. Trust me, within few minutes, this volume will become important support resistance. I also like swing trades. Example for you, while we wait when this stuff played out, let me show to you, friends, what I shared with people in Discord. Let me show it to you. Firstly, I like something like this. Example for you, a trading plan that I shared here in Discord. Pay attention. Beautiful. I like to trade after a long accumulation like it was here. This pattern, it was maybe one of the most beautiful that I saw on BNB, because you have a lot of time to take it. You have quite a lot of time to take it. Even this Ethereum, nearly the same stuff, pay attention. Same stuff. Beautiful accumulation. Here, what they did this stop loss hunt, significant volume in a in a footprint happened, and after that they pumped, and at this moment Ethereum here, Ethereum broke this both accumulation zones. Honestly, that's the most beautiful for me. That's the most beautiful patterns that I trade. Okay, good. It looks they are going to pump. From my point of view, okay, What about BTC at this moment? Where is my chart? It's here. I think they're going to pump additionally. Okay, let's open a trade. Guys, a risky trade because big volatility. I just take this one risky trade, insane volatility, but I would like to try it. Volume would be not big, stop loss below tail. I think this significant volume could become at this moment as a support. Okay, let's take. Okay, good. $1,100 ticks. Okay, let's see. Am I right or not? I open a trade, risk isn't big, only 500 USD. My stop loss below the significant volume just to test it. But friends, it's risky. If you take it, remember it's risky because really large volatility at this moment around. Why I don't think, why at this moment I'm taking long? Because what's the problem? We face massive volume, but this massive volume isn't at re-high when sellers got liquidated. This significant volume here, it like someone didn't allow sellers to drop the price. That's a reason why I took this long. That's it. Okay, let's check. Yeah, I also see a lot of absorptions. That's why let's see what's going to happen. Sadly, the delta didn't drop a lot because if there would be drop in delta, it would be maybe best confirmation that here a drop would happen. Yeah, let's see what whales do because still this stuff risky. Versus what can happen, they can do some rehigh and after that drop. I saw it many times. That's why I don't put big volume here. I just want to open a trade, be with you, and to do some activity. Okay, let's cover your. Let me reply to your questions that you asked before. Are you going to stay streaming until enter a position? We just enter a position on BTC. What else indicators from trading you go along with the footprint? Friend, honestly, trading you really poor with indicators. In most cases, we use not trading you, we use another soft. Example for you like this one, we use this soft. Let me send to you a download link. Now, it's entirely for free for crypto because we use another indicators. It is a footprint, it is a DOM, cumulative delta, VWAP, and on TradingView you don't have all of this stuff. On TradingView, the only one really beautiful indicators that I love, it is volume profile. Volume profile really beautiful on TradingView. Okay. Let's see what is going to happen, because have a look, friends. BTC just retested this major volume profile, and for us it's important for BTC to break this volume profile. That would confirm that our long idea really good. As I told you, I also like swing trades. And by the way, in our Discord, I share free trading plans for swing trades. That's why I highly recommend you to be there. I have just 1 or 2 days left for a free footprint. What do you mean 1 2 days? This software is free for crypto market. For top exchanges that you use, it's entirely for free. Just use it. Agree with you guys? Type plus into a chat how many of you took a trade. And type plus if you took, type minus if you didn't take. Volume is insane. But we need to break. We need a volume to break all of this stuff. And what's the problem at this moment, by the way, friends? That volume, we don't have significant volume on a spot market. It's only on a futures market. It's really strange. In normal cases, when price finish its trend, significant volume appears on the futures. Okay. Venom, why you didn't take a trade with us? I know I told it's risky. Risky means that you use, like if you in normal cases risk per trade 250, you take 50. Uh, what I understood after doing maybe 20 streams, live trading, I understood when I work with a huge volume, for me it's stressful, especially at this moment. That's why during streams, my risk per trade is only 50 USD. And only because of that, for me, it's really easy to take trades. We'll cover Didex. Guys, once more, crypto license free for ATAS. Crypto license is free. You don't pay for crypto. If you use futures market, if you use S&P 500 stocks, yes, you need to pay for ATAS. They did for crypto for free. Long if. Guys, this software that we use for DOM and Footprint is free, and for all of you, I highly recommend you to download. Once more, I copy again a link, this link, and download the free software for a DOM and Footprint. For a crypto market, their license is for free. Okay, let's see what's going on. Okay, let's see. Go. Holy shit, friends. Holy shit. 17,512. Man, you did good stuff. Honestly, with our community, I shared our first long with our community in Discord. I shared it. My entry price was on BTC 16,775. Honestly, it is a time. Today, I wrote a post to people. We didn't take I don't want to post something untrue here. We took small target. We took only to 17,400, and after that, BTC pumped so much. If I would keep until this moment, it would be several thousands of additional profit. But still, it pumping really good. Okay, let's see. 3 minutes until 1 hour close. 3 minutes until 1 hour close. It's really important for us to close that 1 hour candle above, because if that happens, beautiful pump could happen. Beautiful pump. It's important for us. Yeah, let me first in the description. Did you try it in description to this video link? There are only 2 links to a free PDF and our Discord channel. Did you try to get it? And we have 2 sections in our Discord. Let me show to you how our Discord looks. If you when you join our Discord like average person, let me show to you default permission. I would like to see clear permissions. Member crypto. Why I can see edit more? View as a role. When you join our Discord channel, all of you that join our Discord, let me show to you what you are going to get. Firstly, you are going to get free access to next part. Tomorrow, for example, we are going to do live meetings, and I decided to keep our live meetings open for everyone, for public. Market analysis, where I see powerful patterns, I share it with you. Example, BTC trading plan, pay attention. Like I did update on BTC exactly before pump, and have a look how BTC how BTC pump way more than we expected. Another example for you, a trade on BNB. Many days ago, I told about pump on BNB, and have a look how BNB after that pumped beautifully. Have a look on this one. Secondly, lessons. We record quite a lot of lessons that you can watch entirely for free, how to set stop losses, tutorials, all of this stuff. Announcement to our meetings. Also, when you get started here, I highly recommend you to open this must watch, because for you here, we added so many free lessons that you can watch and become way better. Good. It depends on the location. Honestly, in places like Europe, US, and other places, people in most cases use Discord. That's why we shifted to Discord, because we we have a Telegram channel, but we moved to Discord because it's what people use. Can you, Cam, Yuri, tell the level, please? I can see them clearly. At this moment, friends, I set a take profit at 1,900 because globally, what I think, if at this moment BTC really pump from this significant volume, it's really massive volume. Have a look. And if BTC pump from this volume, at the, what's the problem? That if BTC is going to pump, beauty here, there is no major resistance up until I think they easily can cover this imbalance. If they are going to pump, they could be pumped even to 19,000, 19,700. Because what I think at this moment, there could be acceleration. There could be a big, really big pump. That's why I said take profit higher at 1,900. And only if there would be additional, bro, I'm from Spain. My friend, I didn't have desire to write something bad about you because Sajid, I think you agree that it is not like a Spanish name. But in current world, it's not good to judge a person by his name, where he is from. Because like when war started, 7 million Ukrainians moved to different countries. And at this moment, in many European countries, especially, you will hear Yuri, Andriy, and many other names. That's why. MD, we keep our BTC trade. Friends, at this moment, once more, remind to all of you to subscribe to this channel. What's the real reason why this stuff will help you? Because you can open a channel and you can see lessons for trading, order flow, tutorials. We are in this business for more than 8 years, and we created a lot of lessons that will help you become profitable. Because we started, me and my team, we have 10 people in our teams that create content for you. And we started from nothing as a students that have 100 USD per month. And at this moment, we manage hundreds of thousands of dollars. We tested this strategy for several years, and all of this experience will help you become profitable. And you just need to push like and subscribe to get notifications, lessons, and such streams in the future. Hello from Barcelona. I love Barcelona too. Beautiful city, honestly. I will try to do streams once per 2 weeks. Ukrainians always welcome to Australia. Thank you. Honestly, in this current situation, friends, as a Ukrainian, I would say that such help from whole entire world, it's really important. It matters for all of us. Okay, BTC is going to make a re-high. Thanks from Turkey. I've been to Turkey several times, beautiful place, especially nearly Antalya. It's maybe sea, just pure. When you take a yacht and moves food, but there were like a situation with yacht, but still everything beautiful. I'm from Poland. We are helping you, and you're helping me in trading. Yeah. My friend, so many lessons, free PDFs, free trading plans. We put really from the bottom of our heart, and we create a lot of content entirely for free to help you. I think you understand that some stuff we can't do like 100% for free, because I have 10 people in our team and I pay salaries to them. They like, I understand it's big gratitude when we help people, but when in the end of the month, when they will need to pay their bills, they won't accept gratitude as a salary. That's why small part of our services will be for money, that's it. Pay attention at this moment before rehigh, something going on, but this balance. Okay, let me make, let me indicate this. Cumulative delta. I think this one very beautiful. Friends, how many of you use cumulative delta in your trading? Type plus into the chat if you use, type minus if you don't know what you are talking about. Oh, good. Do you have a premium group or something? Yeah, we have a premium group in Discord where we share our trades and help people learn order flow. What you can do here, I just sent to you in the comments this form. You can fill this form, and after that, my team will send you all information about our programs. Just fill it, and that's it. Okay, minus, still learning. I already wrote a supporting message for Ukraine in CNN News comment section. God bless for Ukrainian people, and God bless every country that support Ukraine. Thank you. I want to say thank you. It's really matters. Okay, many of you wrote minus. Let me explain to you. Cumulative delta, it shows to us difference between where people buy and sell coins. Why this stuff matters? Because let me, should I show an example? Friends, write one into a comment if you would like to see an example about cumulative delta. Because it's better to check one trade than to talk really a lot about this. Okay, let's cover with what's going on with our okay, BTC at this moment, pay attention what's going on BTC. For us, it's really important for BTC to make a pump because BTC at this moment closed really close to its high. At this moment, there could be potentially some pullback, but for us, it's important a break up. For us, it's really important because this significant volume should push BTC higher. At this moment, why I think there could be additional pump? Because I know a lot of people at this moment building short positions. I know a lot of people do it. I did it many times before. And I did it many times before. And if BTC squeeze up, there could be a stop loss hunt for short sellers. That's why at this moment we should check. In what cases it would be really wise to close our long on BTC? In a case if significant volume, or especially on a spot market, appears for short, only in that case. Because at this moment, balance, if you can see, at this moment we balance completely into our favor, because here really biggest support. Okay. Okay, let me show to you practical case for. Let me show to you a practical case for our community members. Market analysis. We have special sections. It is trade analysis, profit reviews. Where is it? Chat access. This one. trade analysis. During in this stuff, what we do, we share beautiful trades with our people. And there were, I remember a trade on BNB. Let me find the trade because I didn't prepare before and I need to find the trade. By the way, here an example for you. Why? Okay, let me check. Well, I'm looking for the trade. Wait a few seconds. Well, I'm looking for ask some questions, and I will reply to you. BTC will wait till S&P opening in 20 minutes to make a real move. Sometimes could be, Maxim, I agree with you, because sometimes they correlated so much. But S&P already open on a pre-market. Have a look how S&P opened with big gap. Dollar index down, not bad. That's not bad for BTC. Okay, let's check. Let's check what is going to happen. Friends, some of you, I would like to send this one. Some of you asked me that you have some questions regarding indicators, PDF, and something like that. Write on this email, Thomas at beakertrading.com. It is email of our support team, and they will help you with all your questions. Let me find that example about trades that I promised to you. Abdul, what do you think about 2023 for crypto bull or still bear? In a term of, for example, 10 years, I do believe that crypto will rise. That crypto would rise. I do believe. In the terms 1-2 years, there would be volatility. They have plan to continue increasing interest rates until spring. And after that, there would be a stabilization. I think after that, autumn, it would be a really cool place where powerful bull market could start. Okay, let me find that trade for you. Pay attention at this moment to BTC. BTC breaks below the significant volume and close below. That would be a signal for a drop. That's why it's so important to see what is going to happen. Because it's really sad that we don't have on Delta like big sales on Delta, but price is not dropping. That would be a really good signal of some accumulation. Let me show to you beautiful trade. BNB USDT. One moment. Only if BTC breaks the stuff below, we are going to take a short trade. At this moment, they did a small rise, only 1.38%, not big one. While we wait, I'm looking for a trade with best example of volume cumulative delta. Cool. I found the trade. Pay attention at this moment, friends. BTC is going to this significant volume. If BTC failed to hold, if this volume failed to hold BTC in BNB, that would be bad, and we will close long. At this point, while we wait for clear reaction, who said it? Am I look like a tzap? Who told you this? This nonsense. Be ready to do one stuff. If BTC breaks below this size and fix below, we are going to take short. We will cut loss and we will open short, because it's really strange that after this significant volume, there is no reaction. It's not good. There must be really huge reaction. Let's check. They're going to test it. They're going to test it, and after that, I will cover for you that example about cumulative delta. Yeah, this platform very good, especially for DOM and footprint for order flow traders. Here you have everything that you need. You can use DOM, you can use a smart DOM, you can use TPO profile. I can show to you many stuff, like so many data you can look through this platform. It's really cool for order flow traders. Friends, at this moment, someone sell quite a lot of coins. Have a look how Delta dropping. Have a look how Delta dropping even harder compared to what price did. It's important at this moment to have absorption. Only if at this moment there would be absorption and price come back, that would be really good, because breakout of this volume would be a signal that our idea for additional liquidation of short sellers will fail. That's why we wait a little bit. But Delta super negative, super big negative. At this moment, BTC retests this massive volume area of this significant volume. At this moment, it works as a support, and this volume must stop BTC and not allow it to break down. Because if this volume will be broken down, this volume becomes important resistance. We must pay attention. Do you look at any other correlating instruments to gain insights into BTC movement? I check Euro, SPY, and see other affected BTC crypto. There were a period of time when BTC and S&P had a really big correlation. To check instruments, there must be a reason, and there could be a reason only to identify a trend. And there were a period when BTC followed so much S&P. During that time, it's really worth to check to understand the trend. In other cases, it's worthless because it's takes too much attention. It's the same when you trade crypto market. You must check other coins because only in that case you will understand what market direction. Because, for example, BTC is up and whole entire crypto market also up, and it's not wise to go against BTC. That's really important. Okay, on Ethereum, nothing special, not significant volume, not only one high volume node here at low, and price did even better pump. Sadly, we took BTC, not ETH long. What about BNB? BNB also did powerful drop. Pay attention at this moment on a delta that's on BNB, super negative delta on the futures market. For me, it's interesting to see will they take stop losses of these sellers, really massive stop losses. People that bought here, have a look on this delta. People that bought here, get out here. But if delta is not in a good place, it won't help us. Okay, BTC close to break this significant volume. If price breaks this and close below, we get out from our trade and take loss. If 15 minutes candle close below, if 15 minutes candle close below all of this stuff, we get out. In what cases it would be wise to consider taking short? Only in a case if BTC breaks below this stuff, this volume, and retest to this volume, we would take short. Only if this plan appears. At this moment, this plan didn't appear because still price didn't close below this significant volume. Okay, we don't see any significant support nodes. Okay, let's see. Scalping after news really emotional because so big volatility, so big volumes, and sometimes it's difficult to handle all of this stuff. That's why best what you can do if you see that at this moment you are in such conditions, just use smaller volume. That's it. XRP dropping. Okay, let's check. Let's check XRP and other coins. Dropping. Volume huge. At this moment on this 4-hour candle, volume is huge. and next 1 4 hour will be only with 1 hour 50 minutes. That means this volume will be even bigger. That means it's good. It's insane. Could be drop from this part. Yes, drop could happen. Okay. Dogecoin, big volume and pumped back on a futures market. Oh my God, some buyers got liquidated on this scam week. Solana, have a look. Again, so big volume at bottom. It's bad for short. Like for short, it's good to take in such liquidity zones. Globally, at this moment, friends, it is a risky place. I'm shorting it already. Can you check near? We are going to check near. Near. Why do you open short trades on near? Yes, near come close to this significant zone of interest. It's really powerful zone. But why you took short right now? Because obviously it looks that price started uptrend. Have a look how price at this moment broke and retested this significant volume today during this massive dump. And to take short just because you like it, I don't know. I would be happy to take short if the price would retest, for example, this significant volume node like this one at $3. But at this moment, it's risky. Plus, the price went out after huge negative news. Remember one rule: if everyone cares and if everyone believes that there would be massive drop, everyone believes because if everyone believes that there would be massive drops, in many cases it won't happen because market works against a crowd. During previous month, we had problems with FTX. We had problems with Binance. And after FTX crash, market really dropped a lot. But during Binance FAT and people withdrew from Binance, 12 billions of dollars. And BTC did opposite. Instead of dropping, it pumped. That means to take short at this moment, I still don't like an idea to build short for like powerful shorts to keep it for some period of time. To take small shorts, yes, I agree. To take scalp shorts, bounce from a size, bounce from a levels, I agree with that. But to take like short, we need a powerful zones. Like at this moment on BTC, in what cases it would be potentially good to take short? Only if price breaks this volume on retest, we take small short as a retest maybe to 17,400, something like that, not more. That would be good. In other cases, there is no reasons to take it. Someone told us US opens in 2 minutes. Okay, let's check US open. US open S&P at this moment. Let's see what the S&P will do, and will BTC follow. because S&P did massive drop at the beginning, a gap, after that re-high, and at this moment it's in the middle. Will it continue squeeze up? It's interesting to see. BTC at this moment, not good. This stuff on BTC globally isn't good because BTC at this volume and BTC didn't continue rising. That's bad. After such significant volume, BTC didn't continue rise. That's not good. Bias is not strong enough. Man, I can see them. You don't see levels. What do you mean by levels? Our entry price 18,190. It is our entry price. Our stop loss 18,031. It is stop loss for long. This purple, it is not levels. It just I mark same as significant volume set in a footprint, just to see where it is. And at this moment, it is our support. But everything looks at price is not powerful enough to keep it. Yeah, I will do one day when they will finish an update version. I will, of course, I will do about it. We did it for Windows and we did a lot of software for Windows. Okay, guys, it looks that they are going to break this significant volume. They're really close to it. If they break it and close below, on a pullback, we take short. The worst stuff, what can happen, they take our stop losses and after that pump. It would be really horrible. The best one would be if they won't go through it and they come back and after that start pump to take stop losses of short sellers. What do you think scenario will be at this moment, this day? Sadly, we didn't take our take profit here when BTC gave to us 1.5%. We could take this 1.5%. Sadly, we didn't take it. And we had the opportunity to reopen even in a better place. Baby breaking up. I wish that would be true, but sometimes reality will be different. Yeah, I can see S&P open with dropping. Friends, at this moment, once more, if they break through it, we get out, stop loss soon, close. And if they close below it at pullback, I will take short. At this moment, they're really close to break through all of this volume. If this volume won't hold us, that means sellers stronger, and after confirmation, we should take short. But there must be confirmation. Confirmation only one, price break, and take pullback, we take short. Really close to take stop loss. Honestly, scalping it's really emotional type of trading. Yuri, you also trade gold. I didn't trade gold for maybe 2 or 3 years because for us it's enough. We have enough instruments, BTC, Ethereum, and all other stuff. It's way more than enough to trade. No, it's not good for rice. Friends, be ready to take stop loss if price break. If price break through, be ready to do what it necessary to do. What I understood after trading many years, in trading, less is better. We try to learn different approaches, this approach, this approach, this approach. But in reality, what do you need? It is 1, 2 powerful setups, uh, really good execution to follow every rule, good psychology, because there would be bad days, bad weeks, sometimes even months to go through it. And that's it. And be happy. Wait good opportunity, pull the trigger and wait. Because when there are too much, it's really bad. For me, it didn't work to have this indicator, this indicator, this indicator. It's a bullshit. It won't. That stuff didn't help me personally. Only one stuff helped me when I picky, really picky. And about this order flow stuff, every instrument have different volume, every instrument have different behavior, different sizes that plays out. And it's impossible to cover, for example, like on Binance, 200 futures instruments. On the futures market, 200 coins. It's impossible to cover all of them, their behavior, because they have different market makers, all of this stuff. That's why what I understood that I would like to be picky and I would like to trade several coins. Like I have a list of coins here. What I decided, for me, it's like a list of coins that I trade. Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Doge, Sol, ADA, NEAR, OP, APT, Matic, LTC, Atom, DOT, Ethereum Classic. Honestly, 80% of my trades, it's BTC, ETH, BNB, Doge. It is 80% of my trades because I understand what volume's good and bad for them, their behavior, how news impact on them. That's why gold or FX, I don't see, like Bruce Lee said, Nikita. Yeah, if Nikita, if Bitcoin breaks all of this down, your near position would accelerate dramatically. If BTC breaks down, your near will do something like this. Nikita, what is your entry price on near? Dear Binance, Bitcoin on Binance, you are close to take our stop loss. Do the stuff and leave. Bitcoin, be a man. Do a movement and go on. 1.81. Not bad. 1.81. Not like I wouldn't say it's great because great would be here in this liquidity zone. Guys, check. Let's check this one. BTC volume big, but will it take or not? Bias is not strong enough. Let's set stop loss at least below this tail, closer to this tail. I don't understand why on a chart we have in a footprint so big tail, but on a chart here we have so small tail. What's the problem? Which was the best, ATAS or target trade? I use ATAS at this moment. BTC breaking, guys. BTC breaking, and at this moment, if 15-minute candle, it left only a few minutes. Close below. On a pullback, we will take short. Yeah, everything looks that BTC is going to drop. We wait for confirmation, but okay, minus 30 USD on this trade. What we are going to do right now? What we are going to do right now? Any pullback, and we take short trade. Oh. There are some coins that I think there would be even bigger drop on Solana, especially. Retest of this significant volume, we take short. Volume played out, but it played out really poorly because price did a small 1.3% rise, and I thought that would be at least rehigh, but they failed even to do a rehigh. That's really sad. It's really sad. That's why at this moment some pullback, and we should take short. What do you mean by 54% by this stuff? You lost me in this. What do you mean? What do you mean by 54%? Price drop only by 2%. Where you get 54? Okay, friends, at this moment, what's going on? BTC clearly this significant volume failed to rise, and at this moment it works as major resistance at this moment. What will be potential target? It is pullback to this imbalance, to this area, 17,600. Same with Ethereum. Pay attention how Ethereum drops. BNB, Doge, Sol. A deal show percent. It is percent of margin. It is not percent of your account. It is not percent of price movement. That's it. What do you think about LTC when I could open short? Why is the weakest pullback on BTC continue to go down? Would you still enter short? We can open that short, but our risk will be bigger. That's it. That's the problem. I will try on this stream. I will try to take short, risk 1%. Okay, the risk 1%, but I should put my stop loss. Okay, let me check what's going on. Either. Near. Oh. This one even better. Quite a lot of coins, I think, could make some drop and such like ADA, APT, all other stuff. Okay, let's take some trades on Solana and ADA because at this moment they look. Yeah, I use Trading Light, and we have even one trading strategies that we shared on Trading Light. Cool soft, cool program. I like it. We use it quite often. Okay, let's check APT. 227. Do we have open chat with APT? My mother told me one day I would die. Okay, APT also looks interesting. At this moment, what I understand, if Bitcoin really drops, whole entire market would follow. At this moment, BTC failed to continue rising, and BTC at this moment really close to retest some significant volume. At this moment, BTC far from VWAP, and honestly, it would be way better to take some short at VWAP if retest of that VWAP, of course, happens, because there are still possibilities that there would be no retest of VWAP. That's why at this moment, I would like to take a trade on APT. Not big, just to be in a market. Because I do believe that APT could potentially drop 267.1. What do you think about LTC? When can I open a short? About LTC, let me show to you. Let's do analysis on LTC together. I like to do analysis on a bigger time frames because about LTC, I remember when we did first trade on LTC, when price retested this major volume profile, it was exactly here. At this moment, what's going on LTC? Globally, LTC reached this significant area. It's globally. This area really good to take in some short trades. This one here. Price already did pull back. And what to do at this moment? To take a trade right now, it's a little bit risky. You can try to take short at retest to VWAP with goal drop into this area. Stop loss above this big tail. That would be enough, honestly. Okay, BTC is going to break below this tail. Okay, let's see on APT at this moment there could be some drop. Quite a lot of levels traded on APT. BNB finally some significant volume appeared. Let's check. On the futures market, only at this moment on BNB, some volume appeared. Not big. Honestly, friends, at this moment, it is not the best time to open trades. That's maybe a problem of a stream, that sometimes I open trades not because full confirmation and it's really beautiful and I want to take it. Can we get a format of your ATAS setup? Yeah, you will get it. Join our public Discord, link in description. And after that, I will share with you here. I will do a post with my workspace settings. I will send it to you. Take any position on either. Friends, what's a problem to do live trading? What's a problem? Because I'm not like a scalper. I like swing trades. And what's the problem when we trade right now? I do not do the best trades because the best trades we should wait. Remember, for all of you, I promised to share my how I trade the cumulative delta. Write plus into a chat if you're still here and you a person that I promised to you to show it, and you would like to see again about cumulative delta. About ATAS, what you can do below this video, there would be a link. Below the stream, there would be a link, invitation to our public Discord. For crypto and Bitcoin, it is 100% free. I will tell them from ATA that they here below the stream, friends, if you enjoy this stream, below this video there would be such link. You can download free PDF, and here highly recommend you to join our free educational Discord. After this stream, I will share with you a free link to download the ATAS manual, my workspace, and also I will share with you I will publish my workspace entirely for free. What's the problem when we do trades during live trading sessions? Because when we trade, we must wait for best patterns ever that appears on the planet. And when we wait, that sometimes appears really beautiful situations. And for you, as I promised, let me show to you about cumulative delta. Those of you that stay here, I prepared for you a real best example on a planet when I took a small 2% rise on BNB, but this example, one of the greatest example on a planet that you can get about cumulative delta. Also about this trade, I will publish in our public channel, market analysis. In market analysis, for all of you, I will publish here also about the trades that in the future you can watch this stuff. Have a look on this example. This stuff, it calls cumulative delta. What this means, cumulative delta? When you buy a coin, it goes up. When you sell coin with market orders, it goes down. It means it shows to us what people do with market orders. Why it's so important? Because only market orders move the price. And when you see that delta rising, but price is not rising, something bad. And same opposite, like here, what we saw. Price of BNB pumped and delta changed from minus 10,000 to plus 13,000. That's good. and then the delta changed a lot. It's good because it was exactly happened. But have a look what was here. Here, someone started to sell enormous amount of coins because delta, pay attention what happened to delta. Delta went negative and price didn't do such pullback. That means someone absorbed sellers, absorbed. And after that, people that absorbed sellers understand simple math in trading. When you build short position, to close your short, you must buy back. And when price goes up, that means it takes your stop loss and you buy back higher. And where most of the people set their stop losses, of course, higher. And that's why whales move price. And the delta divergence, this stuff, it calls delta divergence. Type 1 into a comment, should I record a video lesson about delta divergence? Because it's really write one into a chat, should I record video lesson about delta and delta divergence? It's really important tool. And here, have a look, what we had at this moment. We had delta, and we also had significant volume in a footprint. Someone, it is a 7,000 coins, set buy limits and absorbed all orders. And pay attention to this 3,200. That means someone were absorbing all sell pressure. And when people absorbed it, what they did after that? They just pushed price. Beautifully higher. And it was exactly here. And after that, pay attention what happened to BNB. BNB pumped, retested this area, plus significant volume. After that, pumped again. And after that, this volume played out additional 2 times. That's just example for you how delta divergence plus significant volume in a footprint works together. Because I remember one man here, he asked, okay, I use a footprint, but it won't help me. Yes, because if you don't use all of this stuff together, it won't help you. You need to do at least several hundred trades to really to start understand this. It takes time, but if you have desire to learn, you will get it. Okay, I see quite a lot of you. Friends, okay. I see a lot of you wrote about the lesson about delta divergence and strategy about it. At this moment, subscribe on this channel. I promise to you, I'll record it, and within 1, 2, 3 weeks, we will publish it on this YouTube channel. Okay. Okay, let's cover our beautiful BTC. Because BTC at this moment retesting that significant volume area. It's really close to it. Do you know what could be worse stuff sometimes? Jesse, hi. Do you know, guys, what the worst stuff sometimes could happen to significant volumes? Let's guess. Do you know what the worst stuff could happen when you use sometimes significant volume nodes in a footprint? Type plus into a chat if you know, and type minus if you don't know. It turns into resistance. No, it's way harder. By the way, yes, this one also good. This one closer. Mhm. I'm happy that you communicate with me, and when you reply to comments, it helps you also become better. Let me show to you what the worst stuff could happen to significant volumes. Those of you that trade order flow and trade it many times, you can see that many times you have significant volume and price, for example, breaks that volume. After that, it becomes best resistant, just bellissimo. Same with support. Price broke significant volume. After that, it become beautiful support. Example for you, my trade. Mm, Example for you, my trade on BTC. Let me show to you my beautiful trade on BTC. Here was significant volume on a spot. Price broke that volume. That volume becomes support. Beautiful rise. But sometimes significant volume appears and price moves around it. This stuff, it's holy shit. This stuff is holy shit. Because why? Because you will try to take it, you will try to take long. Friends, do you hear me? Type plus if you hear me. Because main problem, my Rode microphone battery, battery on my Rode microphone went out. Okay, good, good. YouTube don't want to get juicy info. Should I explain again? Tell me, please, because friends, battery. Holy. With all of these microphones, all of this stuff, we are going to move. Uh, mm, okay, let me explain to you again. What stuff really beautiful? What stuff really bad? Uh, when we trade significant volumes, what's really important? It is important that significant volume appears in really significant place. Example for you, before I will show you example, explain to you. When we have really massive volume quite often you will see that that volume works as a support. When price breaks it, it works as a resistance. And opposite to it works as a resistance, price breaks it, and it works as a support. It's beautiful conditions because during that conditions you have tiny stop losses and your reward always in several times bigger. Just bellissimo. But sometimes happens this shit. I call it shit because significant volume appears and price moves around it. And price fucking move around it. And what's the problem here? Because I think you would agree with me, because here you would take long because you believe it would work as a support. Uh, Here you take your stop loss from long. Here on a pullback you take short, and after that it takes your long, your short stop loss. After that again you try to take long, and here you can give your money several times to whales. It's really horrible. It's really horrible what they sometimes can do. How many of you face it by yourself personally? How many of you face it? Should I tell you how you can avoid all of this stuff? BTC testing our position. I think when price with this stuff, Doubler, I agree. I like to trade on POC when price, for example, did significant movement, and after that it retested POC with quite a big move. After that, so often there would be some pullback, something like that. Okay, at this moment, BTC retesting this significant volume. And I hope this time on BTC, it is not a third situation that I told you when price moves around. S&P just moves up and down. Are you still long? No, my friend. Price took stop losses from our long. Honestly, it could happen. Honestly, it could happen, and it's painful days because it is the days when we just give money to the market. At this moment, I will try one more time. I will try one more time with BTC. If it works, it's good. But honestly, it would be way better to take short on Solana at retest to VWAP and on APT. Key friends, at this moment, what should we do? For all of you, again, I ask to push like on this video. Friends, at this moment, I need to go. Let's do last final 3 questions from you. And after that, we will finish. What we are going to do tomorrow, tomorrow in our public Discord server, we are going to, within 1 week, my apology. Within 1 week, with our public community, we are going to trade and analyze trades that we did, and I will help people to become better. For several, like I decided that several times I will do it publicly for not only our community member but for everyone. What's beauty of that stuff? Because sometimes you take trades and you don't know what to do to become better. And with our community example, we have community members and that share with us traits, share what they did good, share what they did bad. And after that, we analyze it. And after that, they give clear feedback. And just remember to join Discord to get access to it, to get access within 1 week to such session. Okay. Trading while streaming must be tough. Respect your. It's tough because on my personal account, honestly, I would not. For me personally, I wouldn't not take trades because there is not enough preconditions to trade at this moment. I like. I personally like to trade after traps, even a trade that we took on BTC before that pump. We took it after really beautiful trap. Why it was this one rise. BTC did beautiful trap. This one. Plus there were significant volume in DOM footprint. Plus there were massive accumulation. And after that price just jumped. That's really beautiful. How month? Yes. Honestly, my friend, yes. It is not months. Um, Bigger problem for beginners when you take trades, you think you immediately become profitable, but in reality, not. It takes a lot of time. It takes really a lot of time because you need to learn strategy and you need to follow. Honestly, for some people, it will take like 6 months, 1 year. For some people, it will take several years. What's the problem? Because some person will follow exactly the rules. For example, according to my rules, I wouldn't take a trade on BTC because I do not trade around the news. But during because of stream, I did it, and because of that, I have a negative trade. The hardest part in trading it is to follow your plan. Uh, I can teach you our strategy. Give me 3 months, and if you will do everything what I will tell you, um, you will have full strategy with stop losses, take profits, preconditions, everything that you need to do consistency. But will you trade only patterns that we will make agreement? Will you follow risk management plan? Will you cut losses and risk if something goes bad? Will you avoid trading if you have bad mood, if you have problems with your spouse, kids, in a family health? Uh, will you do trading diary? That's really a lot of questions where most of the people fails, and that's why discipline. I agree, discipline it is number one. Discipline, psychology, it is so important. Also, friends, if some of you need the help, for example, you're looking for education, you need personal mentoring, you need our trades, you need to follow our trades below this video in a comment section. There would be this form. You can fill that form, and my team will tell you all info about our services, how it works. Example for you. You open a link, you fill it, and after that, my team will tell you uh, everything that you need about our programs. About BTC VWAP, a few seconds, I will tell you. We will cover it a few seconds. When you this web form, You open this web form and you write about your full name, email, and uh, phone number. After that, my team will get in touch with you. Because if you need some help, if you have really desire to build strategy, become profitable, have trading edge, to do it by yourself, it's difficult. I know it because I was a beginner. Discipline. Remember, discipline is the most important part for you. When you will have discipline, you will have everything. Friends, those of you that agree with me, those who will have discipline will have everything. Push plus into a chat. Oh, finally, BTC retested this significant volume area. Because a lot of systems, there are a lot of strategies, but in the end, only those that have really powerful discipline will have everything. Yeah, agree. Okay, friends, thank you for your time. See you within 2 weeks. Be disciplined, follow us, and see you soon. Bye.